This is a 10 by 20 ESP in Newport, Tennessee for sale. It is the ESP that has been stuccoed, and then they have stained / painted the trim. Beautiful trim. Let's go around to this side. This does have to be moved. It does not stay on this lot. The owner is selling the house because she's ordered a new tiny house. And so she's keeping her lot, but she's selling her home. There would need to be skirting done on this home. So it is a double dormer. I love the green together. And a wooded place too. And there's gutters on the top dormers as well as the bottom level. That's really nice. By 20, double dormer, perfect little size for a tiny house. Let me walk out this way to get you a better view. Let's go in and see this really adorable home. Remember, it is an ESP, so they'll be, in this particular one, they did wood and they did stucco. So let me show you that first. This is stucco. It's, got a little bit of a rough texture to it, but it's painted white. So there's white there in the kitchen, but look at all the wood features. How pretty. I like this. Okay, I'm just gonna pan around for you because I'm overwhelmed with how cute this is. This is a 10 by 20. Double dormer. I love this one. I really think this is one of their best back in the day before they had models. Most affordable ESP home. Now, I'm just gonna pan again for you and let you know that the only thing that is staying is her. She's not, the futon can stay. And of course that makes a bed, so you can have a bed downstairs. There is a bed upstairs as well, which we will see. This home will be moved, has to be moved, and possession can be immediate. If you are ready to purchase, it is ready to be sold. All right, and the kitchen has the matrix cabinets, and looks like she added her own pulls on that. Oh, I like this backsplash. Look how pretty that is. And she has a stove top. This will be where you could put a microwave. She doesn't have one, but that is made for a microwave. Love look at the beautiful shelves she's done. Yeah, there she has, looks like a toaster oven. Might even be an air fryer. But look how sweet this little kitchen is. Small sink, but it does the job. Looks like they have beautifully stained and sealed this butcher block. Isn't that pretty? Now the fridge does not stay. The owner is actually staying on this lot with another, she's purchasing a Woody. So this home, she's going to be taking everything but the futon in the home. All right, and then we have our little bathroom. Of course, you guys know about barn door. We always have a barn door for that. And the bathroom, there is a closet to the left, and to the right, I will show you down in here. There's a hookup for the washer dryer. It would have to be a combo if it goes in on this side, but you could do a stackable. It would have to be the 24 in here. So you'd have to get rid of your closet if you did that, but you know, I had a combo. I loved it. That's what I would definitely do in here, a combo. Look at the wood though. There's a lot of wood in this one, and then see, I like the wood, and then they've actually put some beautiful stucco, the white, you know how that makes it just look fresh. And this shower is a 32-inch. Very nice. I didn't show you the floor. Let me try to get where there's some good lighting. We're having kind of an overcast day, so. It's more of the brown family than as opposed to the gray. They do a lot of gray here, but I like the brown. I really like it. All right, so over here, looks like you would have, she actually has a TV here, but you could actually mount it, look, up here. They've made you an outlet so you can have that on the wall, which would be one less thing. But as you can see, you can easily make a little dinette area. Yeah, this is really sweet. And what I like about this 10 by 20 is she has a lot of stuff in here, but it doesn't look cluttered. I love her old-fashioned lamps and, oh, pretty. All right, let's go upstairs and see the upstairs. This is what I love about the 10 by 20 steps. And these steps are to code, so they have the perfect rise to make it easy to climb. I'll go up, and she's put some hooks here. Looks like this is a handmade handled grip if you would need that. So we have 2 egress windows. You know what that means. You can open those and get lots of cross ventilation. That is also what makes it safe to sleep up here, as this would be your exit route if you had a fire or an emergency. Looks like she has a full-size bed here, but you could easily put a queen, and you could actually turn it the other way if you wanted. So it looks like, let me just see how, yeah, so I can sit here and then get up into my bed. You guys know how I am with my knees. And I think most of us don't want to be crawling on our knees to get into bed. So this, you can get right into bed. She has a storage over there for her clothing. A lot of hidden storage here, which is nice. Such a cute 10 by 20, you know, it honestly is the perfect size little tiny house. I mean, when you think of tiny houses, this is like the epitome of a little tiny house when you see them online and such, because it has that gabled roof, the gabled roof, and it has the dormers, which just give it a lot more character. Yeah, this is a cutie. This is definitely a cutie. I'm going to put the email that you can reach out to Sherry on the screen here. Please reach out to her to make an offer. Also know that she is ready to sell. So if you're ready to buy, she's ready to sell it. And then the price on this is going to be $59.9. That's $59,900. So I will put that also on the screen. There will be more information in the description, but for the most part, it's just the futon that's staying. Of course, the mini split will stay. It's a Mitsubishi, so beautiful, awesome, dependable mini split. Perfect for this space, and I would say the where it's situated is the perfect spot for it too. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you and if you would like to make an offer, please get in touch with Sherry. She would love to entertain any offers for this. She's staying again on the property, so this will have to be moved. There are haulers that we can recommend for you if you'd like to move it to your own property. So you can also ask for that information. And thank you for watching. Have a good week. Bye.